Hello, check it out. This is the final product for your Volvo S90 paint protection film. So we did the paint protection film from top to bottom, windshield film, window tint, moonroof protection, as well as ceramic coating on everything. So you can see that we wrap as many edges as possible. You cannot tell where the paint protection film stops and starts. We remove the door handles so that we can have a seamless installation on the doors and then put them back on. But we also did these door handles custom in one piece. Roof is all done, looking really sharp, really nice. And the hardest part was the trunk area, because again, there were no kits, so the team removed these emblems, put the film on, as well as this top of the trunk in one piece so that there's no line here, and then the custom rear bumper.